Okay, so my name is Nontokozo Mkhunu. I am a journalist, but I work as a TV content producer. I work for a car channel. So I'm into motoring journalism. And yeah, I just recently graduated. Graduated in April from Rhodes University, and I'm now an intern. Yeah, well, I understood what being something in life and following a career meant, I wanted to be an actress. Up until I think I got to varsity, then I decided that, in actual fact, I think I'd much rather be a film director instead of being an actress. Okay, so I'm here because I won a competition with Viu. So I entered a competition to come onto the set of Isipho and meet the cast and crew members. And Viu contacted me, so I'm here today. I feel very excited and very nervous at the same time. So I'm excited to meet the cast members definitely, and to also get to meet the crew. But I'm a bit nervous because it means being in front of the camera at some point. Yeah.
Yes, I am. Thank you.
You look smashing now.
Yes.
Let's go do your thing.
Thank you. Bounce. Thank you.
I think the set is beautiful. I love it. It makes me feel like, I don't know, man. I'm a reality. I'm a TV star rather. Yes. And also, I think it's interesting to see that it's real and it's not in studio. Hi. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Nontokozo Mkhunu.
Nice to meet you, yeah.
Nice to meet you too. Wayne, what do you do on set?
Boom singing.
Boom.
Sound, yeah.
Oh, okay,
Sound
okay,
capturing.
cool.
Yeah.
So whenever we see the boom dipping in, we know it's you.
Oh, it's occasionally.
Okay. Oh my gosh! Hi, I'm good. How are you? Ah man, nice to meet you. Everything is good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Are
so
they cheating you out?
excited. Yes, they are.
Are they? Well,
Yes.
I'm here now.
They
Everything is
are
going to
up,
get much
man.
better.
Thank you.
Let's
thank
go see
you.
what we got today, man.
I'm so excited. Oh, thank you.
Good to see you, babe.
Good to see you too, man. Good to see you.
What do you want to
too.
do? Where do you want to start?
I don't know.
Yeah?
You
okay,
tell
I
me.
think let's start with, getting to know each other first.
Okay,
yeah?
cool.
Make sense?
Cool.
Let's go find a nice place to sit at.
Okay, cool. Nice. Thank you.
Right, so Nonto, how was it?
It was like, I don't know, man. When the camera was there and I wasn't sure whether I was supposed to look into the camera or
Yeah,
not, or
yeah,
just pretend
yeah.
like it doesn't exist. But obviously, I know you have to pretend like it doesn't exist, but you can't help but
'Cause it's
feel
like
it
in your face.
because it's there,
Yeah, yeah.
But otherwise, it is. I think I was excited.
So, with this being like a show that has to do with a lot of spiritual stuff, which is a little bit risky, right? Would you ever see yourself on a show like this?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. And the reason I say I don't know is because spirituality is deep, man.
Yeah.
I think, and I feel like you don't necessarily act, you become that person
Of course,
that you're
course.
playing. And
Yeah.
so you need to know and understand that, and you need to know what you're getting yourself into. So I don't know if I have the guts.
The guts to actually do it,
it's
yeah.
a lot.
Yeah, so as I was walking here, I just wanted to ask you, who would you say has like the most, the gift that you feel like is the best and would actually apply in your life?
Well, no.
La.
Not because you're here.
Aye. No.
Only because I think the type of gift he has is like, it's a positive gift. you know, my favorite character is Moses
Mm.
because it's played by Bam Nimrod Gossip, but then
Mm.
he sees death. I don't know if I'd want to.
Pretty depressing.
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah.
depressing. Whereas with Neo, at least he sees people's troubles. He knows how to, you know, like he knows when someone's not okay. He knows that okay, you know, like, and shares that with them. So for me, it's a very beautiful gift, I think, and it allows you to help other people around you, and I think that's what life is about, you know, helping each other.
Thank you so much to the beautiful guests that we have here today. We took it behind the scenes, met everybody, the cast, the directors, the makeup ladies, everybody that does the right thing so that we look amazing on the show. Second installment of Viu, man. Until next time, baby. We out.
Yay, thank you. Thank you so much to Viu for the opportunity. I had a really great time and I loved meeting some of the cast members as well as the crew. I think the people here are great and the hospitality is great too. And yes, I had a great time. Thank you.